we first to copy. So today we're going to make a blogger template. Okay, that's a template we made using prompt, and we created the same prompt so that you can create that same template. So first you can click here live preview. As for the link of this, I will provide in description, you can check it there. So we are going to create this template, okay, and we are going to provide you that prompt. As you can see, this is a similar design. Okay, as you can see that this is all, and okay, that's all it have. Now if I click here, let's say if I click here, the second page, it's also good, so there's no problem. Okay, so as you can see here, here is a prompt. You see, this is a prompt. What we need to do is just copy this prompt, and we need Google Gemini, and we're gonna use thinking with pro. Okay, you don't need to do anything, just come here and paste that code that we copied and click enter. Okay, it's gonna write code for you. If you want, you can choose canvas. It was much easier for you to copy the code. Okay, and for checking that, we're gonna use this one. Okay, just click here. So as you can see that this is the page of this blogger. Okay, as you can see that the name. So this is the old template that I'm using, and we're gonna replace with that what we're gonna create today. So as you can see that it is start writing the code. We have to wait until it is done, and then we're gonna copy that and we check. So wait for a few seconds. So this template, as you can see here, this is a prompt. If you click here, it's gonna copy all your prompt, and you can just directly paste there. Okay, you can read it out, and you can add anything that you want in your template, or later on you can just ask again and tell them that this design or these things I want. So you can do that. We have done it. We have faced many problems while getting this prompt, like again they made some problems. Now it's perfect. It won't cause any syntax error or other thing that related to blogger that most of the time it does. As you can see that it is writing the code, and we have to wait. So right now it's writing the JS. Now it's done. So click here, copy the code, and go to the settings. Sorry for that. Go to the theme and click here. Okay, and then click edit HTML. Now select all, delete the code, and whatever you copied, you're gonna paste here. Now click here, save. As you can see, it's updated successfully. Now we're gonna reload that. So we're gonna reload this one and see. Okay, so as you can see that we are having some trouble, and we are not sure why we are having it. Let me check what the reason behind it. Okay, so we're gonna see the layout. If we did something wrong, so here we have done something wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna add the same prompt. Okay, in that way in a canvas. Okay, I want to be sure that whether is a issue with that or not. Whatever we copied, we given here. Okay, so as you can see that here. And one more thing, let me check. This is the code. Okay, I need a prompt, so I'm gonna just copy the prompt again. Okay, just select all, V. Okay, now run. I just want to check and make sure that it's not because of I have chosen canvas or not. I just want to know that. Okay, so I have again put in that in a canvas, and I'm using thinking mode, and just wait for couple of minutes, couple of seconds, and it will done. Okay, like a few minutes, not too much. As you can see that here some error is happening. Okay, so as you can see that our prompt is good. We have not tried. Okay, we just made it, and we thought it's perfect. That's why we just came here, and we shown you that. If you are having similar problem when you are using our prompt, I would recommend that you will comment us or contact us in YouTube or anyways, or you can just email us. We're gonna try to find the solution if you are facing that issue. Okay, so here you can see that we figure out some problem, like it is not writing the code here. I believe that our prompt was quite well. we made sure that everything's working well. Okay, no problem. We will figure out what is the cause. Okay, so for right now we are waiting for a couple of minutes and see that what is the reason behind it. If you face this kind of problem, you can just say it that just fix it and it's gonna fix all of that. If that is a problem, they're gonna fix it. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, as you can see that right now it's writing the code, and we have to wait. Before you are copying pasting the code, if you want you can read that whatever it is inside. Okay, let me show you that. So here you can see that here it says that the unknown add layer error. So this kind of mistakes AI tools make most of the time. So first we have wrote that so that this kind of mistake they don't make, like single post page not rendering, this also mistake they made. And that, okay, the working code, failed rendering gadgets. So this kind of mistakes we face till now, and we make sure that it kind of problem won't occur again. That's why we have added inside prompt so that they won't have this issue again. So as you can see that they have written our code, and we know that there's some problem with that code. So even then we can just copy all of them. Okay, we have copied, and again we're gonna try out. So we go to the themes. Okay, now click edit. Now select all of them and B. So we're gonna save it again. Now as you can see that we are getting this kind of error. Before we did not had this issue, but now we are having it. It is because of gadgets. So the page list B1. So what you can do, if you doesn't know anything about it, just gonna copy this. Okay, and the same where you have put in the prompt, which is just copy and paste it there. It's rare to happen this kind of problem. Okay, for the next time when we're gonna post a prompt, we're gonna make sure that our prompts are working well. So right now it's doing that. It will take some time. Okay, so wait. If you want to resolve yourself, you just need to copy this. Okay, and find it here, and where it is, as you can see here. So if you just delete this widget, let's say if I delete this one, you can add the widget again after some time later, after the themes is complete. But as you can see here, we have saved that. Now okay, it's a reloading. As you can see that that's how the design is. Like you see, creative design, what to do, and this is posts and older post. Not all functionalities here as we made before, but it is working. Okay, if you click in the second page, if I want to know that, you see that the working is well. Okay, there's no problem. Comments are not showing, that's the issue. We will all figure out that that's not a problem. As for this, it's writing the code and gonna fix that. So whatever problem we faced before, as you can see that it doing the same thing. The blogger skin require a block. We separate style tag for better control and easy editing, but this was required for theme to save. So as you can see that it's writing the code. We just wait. So I'm telling you that if you see this kind of problem, you can just fix it yourself. But I would recommend that you should do it yourself, because that's the easy and fast way to resolve any issue. But we are having the trouble, and I believe that it's wrong with our prompt, and we will figure out, and we will try to update that prompt, because we did not thought that we're gonna face that kind of problem. Okay, so as you can see, its code is written, and copy. So we're gonna just gonna come here, select all and paste. So as you can see that it's done. Now we're gonna check it out. Now click the view blog. So as you can see that it's done. As you can see that everything's working. Okay, older post is working. So as you can see that this works. Now first page is works. So there's a 2 images it's showing. Okay, we can resolve that issue. That's not a big issue. Okay, so as you can see that even the prompt we made, okay, the prompt we made, even then you are putting that, even then we are not getting the same result as we got before. So I will tell you that even we provide the prompt, it's not like that we're gonna get the same result as we had. So we provide you the theme, you can just download it directly, we give you the link. And also the prompt, we face some problems and we will figure out that how to resolve all that, so that when you're gonna have it, it's gonna be much better. So after a couple of days I'm gonna update that, so wait till then. Till then you can use our template that we created using AI tools. We will provide you the link in the description bar, you can check it out and see whether you like this theme or not. Please comment us and tell us whatever you think about this video and the template that we made using AI tools. Thank you for watching, meet you next video, bye.